Alright, we are at Labadee, Haiti, on Oasis of the Seas. We're going to go to Paradise Cove. So I'm going to take you along with me. You're not going to believe what you see, so stay tuned. Alright, we are here on the little boat going over to Paradise Cove at Labadee. It's a small boat, probably about 30 or so people. Looks like it's partly sunny today. See you on the ride over. Beautiful day. It was raining earlier, but it turned out to be a really nice day. And it is pretty warm. Alright, so we made it. We made it to Paradise Cove, and we found a shady spot here. They give you a welcome rum punch. So you have to step off of the boat. You see here, you step off the boat, knee-deep water, and so the group is quite large, so there's going to be half the group going up to the village to see the demonstrations, while the other half is down here, and then we're going to switch. So that is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. All right. Woohoo! All right, so we're relaxing in the shade while the first group is going up to the village. Sitting here enjoying my welcome rum punch. It's a little more rough today than I was here last time. There's a little more waves coming in, but it's still good. So I recommend bringing some cash, dollar bills, or I mean cash in general, because there is a bar here. You can buy drinks, but it's cash only. They do give you one drink free. But when you go up in the village, they're going to show you how they make peanut butter and coffee and some special bread. They give you samples. It's always good to give them a few dollars. They really appreciate it. So sometimes I come here, I'm tempted to just stay down here the whole time because I've already been through the village. But my wife hasn't been to the village yet, so I'm going to take her up there and let her see it. We moved our chairs down further away from screaming kids, and they pull out a boombox, and you know, we want to come here for peace and quiet. We moved, and here's a local guy selling a crab. There's another local guy over here selling weed. But I pass on grass. So my wife's shopping at the kayak store. This is where we're gonna go to start the tour of the Haitian Village. We're gonna see them making peanut butter with their own Creole, and then we're gonna see the coffee, then we're gonna see the bread. So stay tuned.
Peanut butter. Yep. This is Miss Laura. Miss Laura is the peanut butter maker. Yep. That's what she do to help support her family. Well, not yet. Not yet.
Oh, you just crush them and...
No, alright, I'll show you. We roast them. She roasts the peanuts. I'll get a taste. Anybody allergic to peanuts? Great. Just crack it open. Take take the small skin off.
When you said the big man, you mean like royal, right?
Royal, exactly. But we love Royal.
They bring
Royal give us jobs and you guys come through and help us out. Don't worry, I didn't forget you guys. Come closer, please.
But the language itself, like it's Spanish, French, it's got a bunch of words. I hear,
Right.
listen, it's
Right. What she do is she add
Coffee grinder. You can smell it.
I can smell it.
You don't want to taste it unless you boil it with water.
coffee.
That's the coffee grinder.
Coffee. Come closer. Is the coffee beans. Without peelings, with peelings. And this big one right here is cacao. The ones we make chocolate with. So what Miss Ameliata do, she gets the coffee beans and then she adds them, she adds them in here and roasts them till they get black like this, that looks like beans. And then she adds them into the wooden pestle right here and she smashes it for half an hour. Yay. That's what she do. She dances just to keep her spirits up. That's the twerk. So when somebody's passing by, they see her and they smell the food and they come back just like this and they talk non-stop until the food is ready. Of course, sharing is caring, right? So she shares with the person, and when they're done eating, they're like, okay, see you tomorrow for the next occasion. Yep. All right, let's go. Excuse me? Yeah, the food thing. Mr. Dillon is 65 years old. Reason why he's so short, they say he got struck by lightning and he can't grow anymore. Right. Right. What he's doing is grating yucca root. This right here is a yucca root. You guys ever heard of yucca?
Yeah.
Yep. This is a root. Something similar like a potato. This is the wet grated yucca. So if you squeeze it, you can see the starch comes out. Some people uses the starch to cook the food to make the sauce even thicker. But the people that have houses like this, if they want to put posters on the wall, they use the starch as glue. Yep. And this right here is what we use to make cassava. All right, let's go taste the cassava. All right, these gentlemen right here are making cassava. That's what we use right there to make that. The wet grated yucca turns out like this. This is completely dry. To make it dry, they use that right there, that masher, and strain out all the water, and it turns out like this. What they do is sprinkle this on that, and it gets really hard. They add grated coconut and brown sugar and a little bit of milk in that. That's a Taino technique right there. All right, who wants to taste? All right.
I like food.
This is the best bread that we have in Haiti. Tastes amazing, especially with the peanut butter.
All right, so we have a piece of the cassava bread.
Are we the last tour for today?
It's good if you put peanut butter on it. Definitely.
It's yucca?
Yep, that's what they use. This. You can actually take it back to the boat. All right, with $15, completely up to you. Yep. All right, now let's go listen to some music right here, and then after that we'll go back to the beach.
Hold on. Now, I need some people to come right here to dance, okay? I'm gonna choose. You, let's come. No worries. You come, please come. I'm gonna teach you how to dance with you. Come, please. Come. Okay? Come.
Got me some cookies. They really appreciate the support back from the tour of the Haitian Village. Got a little bit of time before we head back to the ship. There's no shortage of things to buy here and markets, but really pretty. Here's the bamboo bar. It's cash only, everyone, okay? So they will take care of you here. It is cash only. You got rum punch, $5. Cyclone and rum. What is cyclone and rum? Oh, coconut water and rum. So that's the prices. Bring cash, everyone. Bring cash only. And they'll take care of you. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so we're winding down here, getting ready to leave. Look at the view. Look at the view. Beautiful. And this was Paradise Cove. I highly recommend you come. Bring dollar bills, several, like at least $20 bills. At least $20 bills to hand out to the different people that give you the samples. And it's way better than the crowded booths at Labadee. It's beautiful here. I recommend it. They give you a free welcome aboard rum punch. And the rum punches are $5. You can just have a good time here. You don't have to go up to the village and do the tour, but you know, it's appreciated that you go up and buy yourself a cookie and donate some money to them. They don't ask, but I think it's really very helpful to do that. Anyway, highly recommend this tour. It was $89 a person. Sometimes it's on sale for $77. I think I got it one time for in the 60s, but still, it's worth it. So thanks for watching my Paradise Cove video. Give it a thumbs up, please. Hit the like button, please. And stay tuned for more coming from another Royal Caribbean cruise ship near you.